This is the 30 ml bottle of lubricant that our City Sports electric treadmill came with. This little bottle will come in handy when your treadmill belt starts squeaking when using it. So today we're going to open it up and show you how to lubricate the treadmill belt. Now, before we show you how to lubricate the treadmill, make sure that when you open the bottle, you remove the circular wax paper inside the lid. You can easily remove it with something sharp like the tip of your scissors. Once you remove the wax paper, don't throw it out. You'll want to reinsert it back into the lid of the bottle once you're done lubricating the treadmill because the bottle does not come with a cover. So once you cut off the tip of the lid, the oil will flow through the little hole unless there's something blocking it off inside the lid. Now let's go ahead and oil the treadmill. We're using the tip of a screwdriver to lift away each side of the belt on the treadmill, just enough so we can drop some of the lubricant inside. And we'll do that for both sides. After applying the lubricant, turn the treadmill on and test it out on the lowest setting for a few seconds. Let's listen in to make sure there are no more squeaks.